In this video, let's talk about how to use discounts and promotions for your products to boost sales and to use them to set the price for your product or service.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
So just about every business has them. Apple is very famous for almost never having them, having very few of them, but most businesses use them very liberally and they make it look like they don't. And first of all, it's important for them, for the businesses, to create a perception of value. So for example, a lot of products, they take literally pennies to make. But it doesn't matter, because the more you can get for the product, the more profit the company makes. So the company has to make their products or services appear as though they are more valuable than they are. And often pricing things high is part of making products appear more valuable. And as long as the market holds up that price, in other words, as long as there is no competitor of yours that's underbidding you in price, and the market price for a certain service or product is stable, then that's the perceived value, for that product, even though the value might be 10 times less. And the higher you create the value of perception, the more you can run discounts. And discounts are really closer to the real price as low as you can go. But because the perceived price is, for example, $10, maybe like $9.99, the discounted price might be $6.99 or $4.99, and to the buyer, that seems like an amazing opportunity to buy it. But the seller knows, hey, I'm still making a profit. I just ballooned and inflated the original price, so I'm able to give you a big discount on the price you're paying, the $6.99 or the $4.99. Whereas the $4.99 is probably close. If there was price competition, that business could still probably come down to $4.99. In our example, at least. And the businesses, they get a huge boost from discounts when they run discounts, because they're able to promote discounts in many places. On their site, people jump on their site or in the store, people really jump on the discounts because they see, oh my God, it used to be $9.99, now it's $4.99, like 50% discount. I gotta get it now because all the other times I'll have to pay the full price. So people jump on it first of all. And not only that, but it gives the business an opportunity to sell it, promote it externally, like on discount websites, in newspapers and different ads. A deal. Everybody wants a deal. And pricing higher than you would allows you to create deals. And because you can create deals, you have more channels to promote your product, specifically promoting deals. And people love deals. They jump on deals. This is the whole point of this discount. Now, how do you make people jump on deals way more readily? There's a concept of scarcity. Now, if you have a deal every day of the year, there's no deal. So you have to limit the deal artificially. Sometimes the deal is limited naturally, but most of the time the discount or the deal is limited artificially. So you can say, until supplies run out, but your supply will never run out. You can always order more. Or people say this month only, or this weekend only, or this spring break only, or this summer only, whatever. People give a deadline for the end of the promotion. It's very important so that the customers know, oh my God, I got to jump on this offer. I got to get it before the time runs out. But very often, even if the time runs out, not always, but often, you can still get that same deal if you ask for it, even if the time ran out. And you can create scarcity by saying only 100 people, like only the first 100 people get this deal, or anything. Any way you can limit the availability makes people kind of nervous because, oh my God, I'm not going to get the deal. And so they act on it more quickly. If they feel like this deal is going to be around for a while, they get complacent and they don't act on it, and the deal loses effectiveness. So just to recap, you want to price a little bit higher than typical so you can run promotions and deals. And when you run the promotions and deals, you want to create scarcity so that people jump on it. So you'll be making a lot more sales if you price a little higher and sell it at the deal and run really strong promotions during the deal periods.